Hello traders and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. I'm your host Paul, and in this video I want to look at Forex. So let's take a look at the charts. Alright, starting off with the US dollar index, and things are looking a little bit more clear to me on what they're doing here. So, I was thinking that this could have been all of the fifth wave, but based on this, it's not going up impulsively. So I think what they're doing is they're going to create an ending diagonal for the US dollar, which really fits in nicely with what I've been wanting, because I've been wanting the dollar to fall down into this like 98 to 98, 99 range. So that'll be perfect. So, we've got 5 ways down to here, and then we've got this 1, 2, 3 move. And the only question now is that all of the correction? They had this sharp move down, and so far it's getting real choppy here. It's possible that they're just going to kind of chop around in here. Like we got this one down, and they're going to give still some more correction, but all in all, I think this will be 1, 2, and then eventually they're going to work their way down for 3, and that'll be just the first wave of this. It'll be an ending diagonal, so that'll be 1, and then it'll come up and then down for 3, and then up for 4, and then down for 5. But it'll end in this green area here. So like 98, I think like 98, 30, something like that is what they'll target. So I don't know that right now all the correction is done, but eventually they're going to come and break this low one more time. I don't think they'll come up this high. They could make a little bit bigger. Like this could have been just the A, and then maybe that was B, and then they'll come up one more time for C. I don't think that they'll necessarily do that, but we'll see. But I could see them coming up one more time, at least up into this range, before they head down. So looking for possibly a little upside in the dollar index, but the stronger moves are going to be in the downward direction. All right, let's move on to the euro. Yeah, so the euro is still just kind of chopping up here, and when I look at this, it looks like we've got like this big 1, 2, and now I think they're making like an ending diagonal. So you got like like here was 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and now they came up real strong, but they didn't break that high, and so I think this is just a big deep 3-wave correction, and now they started to come up. So I think that they'll come up one more time, break this 110 level, and that'll be 5. And then they're going to give a big drop, because I still see this as they're going to make a big A, and then this will be B when they break that. And then they'll come down, to, I don't know, somewhere about 107. And this will be a running running flat. So A, B, they'll come down for the C, and then they'll go back up one more time. And we'll see the target based on where that ends at. But I think there's a little bit up, but there's going to be a bigger move down for the euro. Pound, yeah. So pound, they did finally break that top. So the pound, at some point now, I think is going to drop into this zone. They still might push up a little bit, but the bigger move is down into this range. So like 121, 122, somewhere in here. And that'll be perfect ABC, running flat, and then zoom up. And the yen, yeah, so finally I've been waiting for this thing to drop. I was wondering what was going on. I thought they were going to break this top, but they didn't. and then they sold off real quick, and now they're starting to head up. So I think, you know, they're going to impulse. I think that's all the correction, and then this is going to be 1, 2, and then they'll go up in 3, 4, and 5, and break this 137 level. So, and I think right now you can see it's pretty clear, like you got the makings of an impulse here. So 1, 2, 3, looks like that should be 4. So if they come up and break that, that'd be perfect, because then you'll get a nice correction, and then this will be a good area. Let them give you some type of correction, and you can enter here, and that'll be a really, really nice trade going up. All right, that's what I see on the Forex pairs. Let me know of any questions. Thanks for your likes and support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.